Thank you so much for joining us. We're just going to quickly go over our district technology plan that we have here. Um, so we need technology in every classroom and every student and teacher's hands because it is the pen and paper of our time and it is the lens through which we experience much of our world. So many of you guys know already our district goals. It is to promote student success and prevent student failure through technology. Now, the most important thing is our student goals, not only our student goals, but our district goals. What is needed? The support is needed. We need support from everyone, staff, students, parents. How are we going to help them through the needs of the technology? And how is that going to be done? By giving them the software that they need, guys. And in your books or pamphlets of the hand of the district technology plan, you guys will see the different technologies that we need in the classrooms to help enhance students' learning and as well as educators' teaching skills. There's obviously different opportunities and challenges when it comes to using technology in the classroom. Um, those include some of the things that you see here, but like I said, through technology, we can definitely punch through those challenges and we'll work through them, and as well as through our professional development that we will have created for our teachers. Now, we're not just throwing technology into the classroom, we have standards that will be met to use technology appropriately. There is things called the ISD standards that will be used. We're going to align them with the Common Core standards as well and every day into our curriculum. Um, to ensure this, we're going to ensure that our teachers are having the professional development that they need to succeed, not only for themselves, but for their students to ensure that that they're getting the right training that they need to go full force into the classroom and making sure that students are given the tools that they need to be successful, not only for the students but for the teachers as well. Um, and this is going to be ongoing for teachers. It's not going to start once a year or twice a year. It's going to be a yearly thing every year for them to succeed along with technology changes. And so we need to keep up with that change um, with our students. Obviously, with that, budgeting comes into play. If you look in your pamphlet, you can see that budgeting it can look a little different. Some things we can take out, some things we can add a little into. A typical cost of budgeting right now looks about $1,300 per day for a 5-day professional development plan for our teachers. If you guys have any further information, you guys can contact me. This is my name and my email, my phone number if you guys need to have any further questions.